beat.
Can't let them drain on my energy. Don't care if we're friends or we're enemies. When it goes down, I'm 10 toes down. I think that it's a bad tendency. I got a son who depend on me. We can't relate, you ain't kin to me. Niggas act funny, I'm getting this money. That is what only makes sense to me. Can't let them drain on my energy. Don't care if we're friends or we're enemies. When it goes down, I'm 10 toes down. I think that it's a bad tendency. I got a son who depend on me. We can't relate, you ain't kin to me. Niggas act funny, I'm getting this money. That is what only makes sense to me. People wanna try and disrespect you. All about my money, homie, I'ma have to check you. Niggas try to shit on me like I was a restroom. Say that in my thoughts, so I ain't gotta rescue. Niggas be starting shit, got no time for arguing. This is not a partnership, bullshit, you're a part of it. Niggas too soft for me, you won't find a harder bitch. That'll rap for you, but right now I gotta pop the shit. Niggas play victim, I'm on to their system. I'd rather go without than ask for assistance. Cause people throw shit in your face and they'll kick you. It's always some issue when your people got issues. I stay in the city of bridges, where niggas can stay out your business. And bitches can't stay out their feelings, so I stay out the way like a village.
Pittsburgh shit, Pittsburgh vibes. It's TBandz, baby.
Anytime I hit the booth, anywhere I go, I speak the truth. They be like, who is you? That's TBandz with the juice. I can fuck her if I want to. I'm sick, like I got the flu. The temperature hot when I walk in the room. They still don't know me, they don't have a clue. But I get it litty when I'm in the stew. A shot of some Henny that give me a boost. I came a long way from ramen soup. Fucked up broke, I had nothing to lose. I'm risking it all, I got something to prove. I'm one of the best, no AAU. But we still shoot shit like JJ do. Better turn the shit up if you fuck with the crew. Skyview shit, get as high as the moon. Bad little bitch and she got a caboose. I wanna hit it and she wanna choose. That girl the type that you fucking remove. I'm not chasing no bitches, I'm chasing the loot. Shout out my dogs, the people that raised me. Got a couple people from my block still hate me. I'ma just keep turning up, I'm gravy. I know with this music shit, God gon' save me. I do this all for my brothers that died. We used to vibe in the back of the ride. Got 2 nines, better pick you a side. Consider this beat dead, 6'9". All you boys watch, no lie. If I ever get rich, we still die. Anywhere I go, they treating me right. Any beat I'm on, you know this shit's live, gang.
Got the green, ain't talking dollars. Dressing clean when I'm popping collars. Eat the green, but ain't talking collars. Take the green, cause ski a robber. She gon' lick like a gobstopper. You cannot stop her if the cops watching. Think I'm way better, niggas not hotter. I'm the top boy and the top shot. Hey, niggas be missing on hoes. Promised last night that I pissed on my clothes. Cause I got way too drunk and my bitch didn't know that I'm pissing drunk and I tripped to the floor. Hey, now niggas gotta watch it. Pay for the fee, now I got the profit. They call me up cause they want the hot shit. Don't throw me dry cause you not the topic. Hey, let me get back to the mission. These niggas is different, they reaching but missing. If I get the bag, I'ma spin it, then get it again and again till we splitting the digits. If you make it back, then you spin it, then get it. If I make it stack more quick on the vision, if that's also raving, then you didn't get it. They get it though. Hey, they wanna link up the piece of the puzzle. Ski need a drink, but he went to a muzzle. Cause I've been a dog since they put me in trouble. Your defense is weak and we breaking the huddle. I said if you need me, I'm back in the double. I love this beat, I just asked it to cuddle. This is my smackdown and my real rumble. Now step out the ring cause the king finna come through.
Niheem. I'm a 19-year-old artist. Expect to hear some off-the-wall shit. Bipolar wave coming soon, before 20 soon. If there's a problem, you won't solve it with me. Let's get it. Pull up in the jet and it's fast, dogs. Trick or treat when I ski, take your mask off. Like a rocket, I'm patiently waiting for the day when I can lift up, then it blast off. They be jealous, whatever, they mad at me. Need me a queen, I'm the king, that's my majesty. Smoking dope, look up, only see the sky view. Engineer like a Lambo, shot of sky view. That's the mirror, I'm the man. Michael Jackson, I beat it, cause my bitch is bad, but she play like a thriller. On the dick, I bet she gon' dance like a thriller, but that's not important, no filler. Your lady gon' bust when I feel her, seduce her like Joker, and then I go kill her. But I'm only joking, you keep coughing, that's COVID, just smoking. These bitches, they all not important, so that is the reason I'm acting impotent. Nigga, the beast haven't woken, I already know it's the go when I smoking. Sucking my dick and she better start choking. She better start throwing her neck, I be groping. Everyone knows that Niheem getting paid. See, your maximum pay is my minimum wage. Your girl, she like penis, she's eating away. Your grandma do too, she got dishes for days. Yum. She like to take, she be kicking my balls and they ran at first base. Oh man, she so fast, she was dashing away, but she never looked up at the man in the way. Yeah, I never left the plate, nowhere to escape. Maybe it's too late, try to get away. If this is a race, then I won in first place.
I did it again. 21 Savage, just me and my friends. I'm hard on the mic, but don't think it's a trend. I don't ever rap, I just like to pretend. I'm making the case, I just gotta defend. R&B shit and it won't ever end. I'm feeling real full, but I don't gotta send. Yeah, I won't ever stop till I get to the top. They calling me crazy, just wait for the drop. Your girl think I'm cute, she be giving me top. She feeling my music, she say that I'm hot. I told her it's me, I just do what I want. They hot on my trail and they ready to hunt. I'm kicking these niggas like they was a punt. Yeah, I told these little niggas
I'm nothing but music, shit is confusing. I give him an inch,